Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everybody, depending on where you are listening from or watching from. My name is Samuel Koyacha. Time now is 3:50 p.m. in Biafra, West Africa. I want to bring you Forex phase analysis based on the method of Elliott Waves. So today, the coming week will not be an easy one because there are so many complex patterns forming or have formed. So it requires a lot of careful approach and patience. It's better not to trade than to trade and lose. So let me start. Let me start with DXY. Okay, this is DXY. Daily chart of DXY. Okay, this is DXY daily candle. So you can see this one. You can see our target. Our target is around 94, 95, even 96, or maybe maybe this upper trend line. So let me go to the lower time frame so that we get to what we are looking for. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, this is DXY 4 hours. In 4 hours, you can see we have gotten our first target and the price is now coming down. Okay, in this regard, where do you think it will stop and begin to go up again? Maybe, in my own opinion, I think what we are going, what we gonna get is a kind of this is impulse. So we likely get an A, B, C, which will be a running flat before we go up again. But nevertheless, let us see our 1 hour chart to know what we have next. Okay, this is 1 hour chart on DXY. So on 1 hour chart, you can see this is our target. You can see A, B, C. So here is our target, and after this place, we go up. So in my own advice, do not sell this, because why? Currently our target is up, and when the market is pulling back, it might not go the way you thought it will go. So I would advise to hold on the trade. When it comes to this place, you look for buy setup and buy. Okay, let's go to Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is always the opposite of DXY. You see, so now we are yet to get our target. Our target is 1.6 or at least 1.7. So as I'm waiting for it, you better look for sell, because I'm looking for sell. Even on 1 hour chart, I'll be looking for sell. Sell setup is what I'm looking for. So I am not trying to buy, because I see this current to buy as a pullback. So unless if you are a scalper, then you can try to buy. Let me check the 1 hour chart. Okay, here is the 1 hour chart. You can see it formed a channel and the channel has been broken. But you know, in many cases, channel can be broken, and before you know it, the market will come back right side there and begin to go that direction. So, in my opinion, the broken channel might not uh, go as much as continue doing like this. It may not. So likely just do something like this and come back. Maybe do something again before going to the blue box where we get our target. So until if I don't get to my target, I don't trade the opposite direction unless I see a clear setup that shows that my target will not be made again in that trade. That's when I try to trade opposite direction. So euro JPY, because euro JPY, you can see what we have. In euro JPY, we have so many options. Option number one, I think okay, on one candle, I will show you more of the options. Option number one, I strongly believe, let me zoom the chart. In my idea, we will still come back to this blue box. The only thing is that this very move is unexpected and is delaying everything. So first option, we might have a sharp move down here, correction down here. Secondly, you have A, B, C, then down here. In any case, as long as this level is not broken, 133.7 is not broken, I will still be looking for sell. Let me go to 1 hour to know what you have there. Okay, Euro JPY 1 hour. Okay, so our 1 hour chart, you can see the whole ideas, how I labeled them. Now, this is a channel. You can see this channel, white channel. So we can, the selling can just come from here, break here, and keep going down. Or it will go to this channel, go to this place, correction, break it, and go down. Or it will give us a complete structure, A, B, C, before it will come down. So in every structure, I don't see reason to buy JPY. If you have a reason to buy, you can buy. But myself, I don't have any reason to buy. Okay, what do we have next? Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD, you can see I didn't expect this sharp move down. I think that was a news release last Friday. In any case, I have been looking for the price to come to this level. Will it come to this level this time around? I don't know. But any correction from here is selling. I don't see any reason to buy. So that's my own idea. 1 hour chart, Euro AUD. Do I have a 1 hour candle here? Okay, 1 hour candle. You can see this is a nice movement. So any movement that gives me an A, B, C, I will say without hesitation. So that's all for Euro AUD. The next is Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Euro CAD. On this pair, I have been waiting for this for how many days? Nearly 1 month, about 27 days. I'm waiting for this breakdown. You can see it's a broken. So I will now enter sell if I get a sell setup. You don't just get enter by yourself when the channel of a certain level is uh is broken. You must get a set of before you sell or before you buy. So if I get a set of, I'll just sell because I've been waiting for it to happen. Now it has happened. What next? Set up, then I will sell. That's euro card. We have the 1 hour here. Euro card 1 hour. And okay, I don't have the 1 hour. The thing is that I have shown you what is important. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. I expected this to happen, but as things stands now, I don't think it will happen now. Unless there is a sharp move up. Because of the movement of last week Friday, I think once this channel is broken, this yellow one, once it is broken, then this will also break, and then still is what I'm looking for now. So let's check 1 hour candle. New Zealand 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see what we're talking about. This move is a strong move. So any A, B, C, or WXY. When price comes into this blue box, I look for setup and sell down, down, down. So I'm not looking for buy, I'm looking for sell. The only thing that make me look for buy is if I see a sharp reversal above this place, then I will buy. If not, I will only look for sell. What again? Euro. Okay, now Euro AUD. Have I done Euro AUD? Euro carry usage. Okay, I have explained Euro AUD. What again do we have? Euro explained, Euro card explained, Euro explained. Let me go to other page you have. Okay, now let's start here. USD card. USD card, we are looking at an ABC. Okay. Not every, okay, let me just go to 4 hours. Sorry, 1 hour chart. But the minimum target on this pair is this line. Then maximum target is this blue box. Okay, whichever way. Once we get a nice pullback, we sell from here down. Okay. One hour, you can see it clearer on 1 hour. So you get correction flag, pullback, selling to this place minimum, here maximum. So to give us an A, B, C, which is a nice structure. Then from here, we look for sell, sorry, for buy. Here's JPY. Here's JPY. I have been waiting for this. Now, two things is involved. You know, I told you right from this place, I've been looking for a big sell setup. Then it give us a correction and go up once more. And the question is, we will now get this big sell, or we will have a little sell to this place and go up again. I don't know. What matters is that on 1 hour, I'm looking for sell entry on 1 hour. Though I opened the sell setup when the market was here. Then it wasn't going well. I closed it. If I didn't close it, I would have incurred some losses. So now it's about giving us a nice sell setup. So let's look, check 1 hour chart. So 1 hour, you can see once we get a good 3 waves move or a flag, then I will sell towards that. I would say towards this very trend line first. Okay, so it will be a nice sell towards this trend line, which means 1 0.4 is the minimum target. 0.4 is the minimum target. Then if it breaks this level and give us another sell setup, then we continue to sell. So that's the idea I have about this. AUD USD. Okay, it has gotten to our target. This is our blue box. When it came to the blue box, I told you that it will still come down and go deeper. I have seen reason that show me that it will go deeper than this for now. Okay, you know, here is our adversarial zone, and it has reversed already. So 1 hour, let's look for 1 hour. What we do? So you can see we already have a nice move. Okay, having done this, having broken this last swing below, is a very good sign that we are now going up. So look for either 3 waves or flag or something like this. When you see something like this, it's time to buy. To buy, you watch what happens to this level. Whether we have a rejection or a correction, you buy again. Or you don't need to close it unless you see a rejection. If you don't see a rejection, then it will continue going up higher. Gold is a kind of that is the conflicting ideas on gold. If you watch other people's analysis, when they believe that gold is going up, when this happened, and I said, no, I think it will go down deeper. It came deeper. Now, when this happened again, people believe it's going up. They might be right, I might be wrong, but from my own idea, on this 4 hour chart, I can see in my own idea, gold will still drop to this level, 1720, 1700, 1710. Or it may not, but that's my own idea. Then if you think, if your own idea that is going up, fine. But I'm not going to buy gold for now. I haven't seen enough reason to buy gold. So let me also check 1 hour candle. I'll give you one of my reasons. I said I don't see the reason to buy gold now. So in this 1 hour, you can agree with me, whenever the market is channeling, it will likely break to the opposite direction. So you can see gold is channeling. So this is what made Elliott Waves traders outstanding to other trader analysts, because once we look at the charts, we can predict what will happen next, and most of the time we will be correct. So what will happen is that gold may do something like this, then come down, or do something like this, then come down. Whichever way, if it goes with this very green green idea, then we look for sell setup from here. But if it goes with this yellow idea, then we look for sell setup from here. That's when this is broken. It will be good to wait for it to get to this level before we sell, or at least let it also break this level. Okay, so my own idea, gold will still drop. So my idea can be wrong. Other people's idea can be right. Other people are saying it will go up, but I said that it will still go down. That's my own idea. So I may be wrong, they may be right, but I'm just telling you my own view and how I like to trade. I will sell gold. I will still sell gold. I will not buy gold until I see it around 1720, 1710 before I look for buy. Now I will still sell gold. Silver. There was silver. I predicted this ABC making a expanding flat. Then this C. Now, what next? Will it begin to drop from here, like the way I see it in gold, or will it be doing sideways while gold is going down? Sometimes it's happened. Gold might be going down. This will be going sideways. And when gold will go up, it will go faster than gold. Or vice versa. It does happen. Now let's check 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, you can see we also have channel. 1 hour, you can see we also have channels. So what next? Can we get this down, or we get this before we go down? I don't know yet, but watching on gold and silver, I'm looking for sell. I might not sell silver, but I will sure I will sell gold. The only thing that make me not sell gold is if market opens, then I see a swift move like this, then I'll cancel selling. I will know that something have changed. But structure-wise, I'm looking for sell both on gold and silver. New Zealand US dollars. On this pen, I told you here is our target. It's going to our target, drop below here, and what I can understand why this go up very, very fast. Maybe impact of news. So for this reason, I advise to be very, very, very cautious before you buy or sell. This is a sign of buy. But because it has gotten to the target, I would not like to buy it in a haste. At least I want it to close below the recent low before I buy. So I won't be in a haste to buy. So what next? Let me check it for the 1 hour. Okay, see the 1 hour candle. The 1 hour, if it gives us a nice shape of setup like A, B, C, then I would like to buy. But one thing is sure, it may come up here and drop. So if you get a buy setup, if you buy, but remember here will be your stop loss. So check if it will be a nice trade to stop loss here, take profit here. So I don't think it's worth it, because it may do something like this, keep going down before it buy. So, but if I see buy setup, I can buy with smaller size. Then I will watch what happens here, because it may go to this place and go down. The only time I will buy it without reservation is when it closes above this yellow line properly, and that's when I will buy. How's JPY? Another controversial structure in the market. Okay, for JPY, my opinion, I told you that I don't like this type of movement. That I expected a move like this, then I will sell. But it did this, and once it did this, it has created the kind of problem for technical traders. But nevertheless, we have seen many things in this market. So now, once it has gotten to my own target, so I'm still looking for sell. If I see a sharp move down, then I will get prepared for selling. If I don't see, maybe we may get something like this before the selling. I don't know. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour, we have two things or more on 1 hour. One is we may have a sharp move, then correction. Then we get to our target, which is 151 or below. Secondly, we may get an you can see it A, B, C, which you see the price go back to 154.5, 154.6 before we get this sell. And if it happens like that, it means this B will now be this place, move to this area. Then it then becomes A, B, C. And thirdly, if it make this very bigger B, we may not get to this level again. We may end up maybe this place. Bear it in mind. If the big B plays out, don't target this area again. If it doesn't play out, target this area. So all these charts, you can see these are charts I prepared, and I always share it on my Telegram channel. So if you want to have these charts, you go to my Telegram channel. Many people ask me where they will see the link. I will show you where you see the link after this video. You just go down to the video, to the description. You click more. It will open and show you all the links we have. But Instagram link and whatever, and all of them. So let me continue. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. Let me say something. Pound space are behaving somehow. Pound space are strong against some currency currency counterparts. Some are weak. So pounds USD, I can buy it, but I'm not buy pounds JPY. You can see we are getting to our target, almost our target, about 10 pips to our target, and we get a good reversal. Let me check the 1 hour. So 1 hour candle, you can see now we have gotten this move. So what I'm looking for is an A, B, C, or WXY. Then the buying will continue. So I can buy this, but I'm not buying. I want to buy pounds yen. Okay. Pounds chef. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I see this. Since the market has gone to our target and drop, I see this as wave 1. This is wave 2. Then this will be wave 3, 4, 5. This is my forecast on that. But it's possible you can get this. It can confuse you. Even do like this, then drop. Okay. So just you may ignore this. You may ignore pounds chef and pounds. You may ignore many pounds space, in fact, because they are not. They don't rhyme with some. You may choose pounds yen and pounds USD and ignore others. I want to do many because some people are addicted to a certain page. So the one you are trading, you will see it, I have my idea. Okay, this pounds card. Okay, now what do we have? This is what I expect, but it's likely you will not get it. You may get maybe something like this, then buy. Whichever way, when market opens, we check. If you don't see a kind of sharp drop, then forget this. Focus on this type of move. Pounds to New Zealand. Okay, so you can see it's what I'm saying about pound space. So this now is what I'm looking for, and enter a trade here, close here. It's not a good idea. So the best thing is to wait. If we get this, we look for buy setup from here and buy. So selling it to me doesn't make sense at all. How's New Zealand? Okay, you see the reason more. This is channeling 1 hour. So once you didn't enter the sale around here, forget it. It may be doing this, doing this, doing this. Maybe then it will go up. So channeling is better traded to the opposite direction when it finishes its sideways. Pounds ZAR. ZAR is a funny pair. You never know what it will do. But I insist, this will be a good trade for those who will catch it. Now, this is what I think will happen. A, B, C. B, C. This is what I think will happen. Okay. And maybe it can even keep going up, do this and move. So, but once it closes above this line, look for a long time buy setup and buy it. No, it will be going down for months and months and months. So that's the type of trade I like to take, because the more it wastes time, the more it will bring a good potential for profit making. So the 1 hour, you can see the 1 hour. You can see broken of this place. We may get this. If I get this, I will buy, but I will not sell. I will sell pounds ZAR or USD ZAR, but I would like to buy. If I get this A, B, C, then I will buy. I will look for buy and enter buy. The next, pounds AUD. Another confusion. Pounds AUD. When they're going down, it's going up. So I think you better ignore this trade until it finishes what it's doing. If it provides a setup from here, I may take it, but I will not do anything else until I see something like this. Then I'll try to sell. But see a setup from there. Pounds AUD. Okay. The best thing to do here is, if we get this, then look for buy setup from here. Selling it, I don't like the idea of selling it unless it make something like this, a channel, then it will be a nice thing to sell. But if it doesn't make a long channel, it drops very fast. Good. You look for buy from the bottom of the channel. New Zealand card. New Zealand card. New Zealand card have been in this blue box for up to 1 month plus, even 2 months. It keeps giving us sell, buy candle. This is a buy candle. This is a buy candle. This is a buy candle. Now, what which is going to buy? I don't know. That's why I always give you a level. So this level is what I'm targeting. Once it comes to this level, give me A, B, C. Boom, I will buy. Simple. But for now, I'll be patient waiting for it. New Zealand card. You see what's happening here? It's making a channel. So what next about this channel? Once it breaks this channel, then I will buy and watch what happens here to know whether I will close it or not. New Zealand JPY. Okay, this is what I would like to trade. I would like to sell it. If this doesn't move, if this comes back close below this place, I will sell. If it keeps going up, I would like it to break this high. Then I will look for sell because I don't think it will break this and keep going. So if it breaks this very high, I will look for sell setup around here. Let me check if I have the 1 hour here, then it will give us more clue. Do you have the 1 hour? Okay, that's okay. You can see it. This is 1 hour chart. So this might be trying to make an A, B, C, and if that is the case, then this will be another. This will be another A, B, C to complete this. Then I will look for sell from here. But if it's reverse very fast and come down, I will sell from here. So I think this is more likely. This is more likely. This is A, then this is B, then this C will do something like this to complete. That's another A, B, C. Then selling from here, make a lot of good idea. New Zealand CHF. Patience is the key. You see, I have been waiting for this to break. It broke this. I said, here is a buy setup, but it's risky. I know I said, but here is a better buy setup. This is why I say it's risky. Let's say you enter buy from here and go to sleep. Tomorrow you see it here. You have to be happy. Remember, here is the stop loss. But once it goes above here, there is 70% chances it will continue to go up. So patience is to wait for it. USD ZAR. USD ZAR. Just like pounds ZAR. Just like pounds ZAR. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we may get A, B, C. And the buying will continue. So this might be A. Then here will be B. Then C, this place. So selling, not a good idea for me. Buying is a lot of good idea. Okay. So this might not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can still be part of web 3. And if that is the case, maybe because this will be a running flat. In any case, just I'm looking for 3 waves pullback. Then I will buy. I will buy this pair. I want to buy it. I bought it and closed it. I'll buy it again. Okay, the 1 hour chart. So it didn't reach our target. Here is our target. 14.6, 14.7 is our target. We didn't cut our target and sharp selling called. We might not even get this. Reason is, if this is what news costs, The market may continue going up tomorrow. Sometimes it happens. You see it go right back where it came down from, or where yes, and continue going up. So that's the two case scenarios. A, B, C, or just it will just go up, do this, keep going up. So what for those two ideas? Okay, I've come to the end of this analysis. The next will be crypto. Let me show you, for those who always ask me how they will get the links to my either Instagram, Telegram, whatever. Let me show you how and where you get it. I've done it before. One of the reasons you need to be on my channel is that you will have the privilege of getting these charts saved on your system, so that you always go there and consult it whenever you want. Because you would be watching the video all the time. So let me open one video and show you what I'm trying to say. If you're watching my video, all you will do is that you come to this place, you click here. Nobody is online already. I've shared the link. You can see this is YouTube channel, WhatsApp channel link, and this is another link for Elliott Waves High School. So that's where you get all of them. So that is it. Okay, the next will be cryptos. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye bye.